What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another rainy day thrifting video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna scan all the books, CDs, DVDs. Believe it or not, my Salvation Armies are actually still pretty good. They only charge 99 cents for a CD, DVD, book. I guess they had too much of it sometime at the beginning of last year. Prior to them doing 99 cents, this place sucks. So I come to these Salvation Armies about once a month, give or take. If you're interested in making money on Amazon, join the YouTube membership, $2.99. That's like cheaper than like 4-piece nugget from McDonald's. We got weekly live calls, 24/7 Discord to get all your questions answered. Go-to list or discount pays for itself. It's miserable out, but right, you know, the hotshot YouTube resellers don't show you when it's rainy. You still got to go out. You still got to scan all the junk. And it's like, I'm recording this 2 days before Thanksgiving, so we don't get off the week of Thanksgiving either as a reseller. And yeah, Amazon sucks with the buy box shit, but life has to go on, business has to go on, money still, plenty of money still to be made out there in the universe. So without further ado, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy IKEA bag. I will see all of you wonderful, beautiful, amazing resellers, super rich, super successful, good looking, great looking, beautiful, hot, sexy, ripped men, beautiful women resellers. I don't even know where I'm going with this. I'll see you all inside. Let's go. It is pouring rain outside, so I am not recording outside. I am in the vehicle. You guys seen the sheer quantity of media they have, and I hate to be the bearer of bad news. I only got like 21 items, maybe 20 items. My total is like 21 bucks, so I probably got 20 plus the tax here in Pennsylvania. I scanned probably 90% of that stuff. Most of the CDs were just terrible Christmas stuff. The DVDs were a lot of workout or missing discs. I did find a few that were profitable, but they were actually missing the actual DVD inside. The books were atrocious. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 books. I'm gonna show you guys what we got here. Let me get my screen recording. Recording, yummy, yummy. I did find the Wiggles. Wiggles is always profitable, basically. All right. As a cat father here, I appreciate a cat book that is profitable. $6.36, nothing crazy, but I'll take it for 99 cents. $4.34 profits are really closer to $3, but this will sell right away. This is the business I have been in this year. fast turning money. I don't want the slow stuff. I don't care if you think it's gonna make you $1 trillion. It doesn't sell. You have to remove it. And then you're complaining that this business sucks. This one's a little bit slower mover here, $9. Anything that's related to like oils or like miracle things, you always want to scan those. Out for Blood, Essays on Menstruation and Resistance. Pretty unique cover here, slow mover, but we're gonna undercut everybody here. We'll get the sale on that pretty quick. 36-hour day, we all wish we had 36 hours. A fast mover, $5.92 profit. And last book we got here, or no way, I got two more. Meet Marvis Frazier, the story of the son of Smokin' Joe. 0 sales score. Why did I buy this? Because people are trying to sell it for $58. I guarantee you, you can go track this, all right? I don't talk out my butt. I do sometimes, but I'm not talking out my butt when it comes to this type of stuff. 0 sales score. I guarantee you we throw this in at like $39.99, $29.99. This sells within a month getting to Amazon. Don't believe me? You see the damn ISBN. Write it down on the notebook you got in front of you. You've been taking notes, and come back and talk to me in a month when this sells. I don't know why I try to defend myself. You can run your business however you want. You want to be broke? Go for it. You want to be rich? Go for it. $7.95 for this tiny Habitudes. That's it for the books. CDs. $8.24. Blackmore's Night, Nature's Light. Nature stuff's weird. This is brand new sealed, by the way. Julio Iglesias, brand new sealed, no FBA. We'll probably undercut the buy box, $12 profit. Van Morrison, live at the Grand Opera, yada, 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 $8.58 profit. Don't know none of those songs. Bohemian Rhapsody, fast mover. We'll send this in at $9.99. We'll make like $3.25 profit. Good movie. DVDs. The Casebook of Sherlock Holmes. $6.43 profit. My Name is Earl. Never seen it. I have heard of it, never seen it. $28 profit. 99 cents into $28. I'm rich. I'm going to retire. Thank you, Earl, and your gang here that you have. It looks like it probably is a half decently funny show, just not my cup of tea. I'm more of like a Seinfeld guy. But I appreciate Earl throwing me 28 bucks, and this thing's going to sell right away. So that's a nice little bolo for you all. Date night movie collection. We'll probably do $12.99 on this. We'll make like $5, $6. Me and Deb just started watching back through the Twilight series. I don't know if I've ever seen them. We're all the way up to the last one, Breaking Dawn Part 2. I must say, the movies aren't as bad, I think, as people make them out to be. For some reason, I was just flipping through the Roku channel the other night, and one of them was on. And so I started watching, I think, from Eclipse. I don't know. I think I missed the very first one. But they're not as bad as, like, I've seen much worse. Trust me, I watch movies all the time. And it's not the best, but it's not the worst. Brand new sealed, The Miracle. Fast mover. Pump that in at $12.90. We make $5.68. Hoodwinked. No listings to be found anywhere in the universe. We'll probably throw this in at like $17.99, make 10 bucks. Like I said, fruit salad, yummy, yummy. $8.24 profit. Wiggles in the house. A little bit of Johnny Travolta, Staying Alive in Saturday Night Fever, $4.97. This was a combo can here. We'll probably do like $11.49. We'll probably make about, what, like $4? Doom, Pitch Black, Serenity, Hellboy 2. Last one I got. Double feature, Eagle Eye and Super 8. I think this is only valuable because Super 8 is a more rare DVD than Eagle Eye is pretty common. I see that garbage everywhere. So, I mean, we'll take it here. We come in at 14 bucks. We'll make $7. That's all I got. I mean, that's the reality of me thrifting out here. I got Earl. Earl's, you know, Earl was my banger of the day, and maybe that Joe Louis, Joe Frazier dude's son book. But I mean, it's a grind, and I don't think it's portrayed enough as it actually is. It's raining. I need to get gas. I got to go put, you know, all my Earl money's going to go into the gas tank for the Lamborghini because this thing gets like 5 miles to the gallon. I'm running the heated seats. That's sucking up gas as well. I got the Ramsey podcast going. That's chewing through my gas. I know it doesn't consume the gas, but I think a lot of you like to think that I'm absolutely clueless, and I kind of sort of am. Maybe the heated seats do take up the gas, right? So, hey, what can I say? Another day at the Salvation Army. I'll be back next month to get my scraps, right? Scrape the bottom of the barrel, continue to, you know, push my, I don't even know. I mean, I hate talking numbers, but, you know, if I can just hover around 15, between, honestly, anything over 8K a month, I'm good. But it doesn't sound appealing to somebody, right? Like, I'm doing 8K a month in sales, but like, I can live off that. But honestly, I'm fine. I'm fine, right? Like, I like to see between like 15 and 20K a month. But if worst came to worst, and you're like, Mike, what can you possibly live on? I honestly could being debt-free and having an emergency fund and having my expenses so low, I could probably live on like Amazon sales-wise, like for my business, maybe like 6K a month, maybe even a little bit less. That's just the reality of the cheap life I live and the financial decisions I've made over the past 10 years to kind of get me here, along with Deb kicking my ass into gear when it comes to actual, you know, tracking your expenses and not being a crazy lunatic when it comes to buying things. So that's gonna do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna charge my little scanner on the way home. And this is the last time I'm using an Android. Got Deb, we decided to get her a new iPhone for her birthday coming up. Birthday, right? That's how I say it from the hood, birthday, whatever. You guys can drag me, I don't care. So I'm gonna take her iPhone 13. She got the 17. So it's weird. I've been an Android guy my whole life, but the camera is just shitty on this. So I'm taking her iPhone. I'm becoming an Apple guy. You all can hate me, I don't care. I know a lot of you like, I swore I never would go to Apple, and here I am. It is what it is. I appreciate watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I should say that like at the very beginning of the video so I can farm you all for likes and comments, but who cares? I'll see you all in the next Thrifting Rainy Day video. Bye-bye.